Doesn't make any sense. I've had Boomer since he was a puppy. He's super loyal. I leave the room for a second. He's looking for me.
I had a dog like that.
He might nip a little, but this was a full-on attack.
In my experience, dogs can be unpredictable, even really friendly ones. Sometimes if a dog's in pain, though.
He wasn't. We were playing tug of war like we always do.
Dog bites shouldn't be stitched. They need to stay open so the wound doesn't become infected. Also, I'm gonna give you a tetanus shot and an antibiotic.
Boomer's healthy. He's had all his shots.
It's just a precaution.
Dr. Parrington. Got a hemoptysis patient. Chest x-ray says it's a COPD, but I think he needs a bronch. You wanna take a quick look?
Really? The esteemed Dr. Halstead needs my help with a patient. I'm honored.
Look, I'm sorry about what happened the other day.
You want to consult page my resident?
No redness, no inflammation. Looks good.
So, I can go?
The nurses are working on your discharge paperwork right now. Your wound should heal in about 7 days or so. Until then, irrigate them and keep them covered. You all right?
Oh, just itchy and a little sweaty.
Mind if I take a look? Rash. Could be an allergic reaction to the antibiotics. You do feel warm, though. I'll get a temp.
Oh, my sister checking in. I left Boomer with her. She's not a dog person either. I get the impression they're not for you.
I've treated a lot of dog wounds, especially on kids. It's 99.4 was normal at intake. CBC and CMP? Yeah.
I'm not out of here, am I?
Sorry, itching and fever, even a low one. Could be more than an allergic reaction. Someone will be with you shortly.
A high white cell count, what does that mean?
You probably have an infection.
From Boomer?
It's possible. Have you felt sick recently?
No, not really. I mean, every now and then my throat aches a little. It doesn't really bother me, though.
The lymph nodes are swollen, consistent with an upper respiratory infection. Let's get a rapid strep test. What kind of dog is Boomer?
Boxer bulldog mix. A rescue. When I went to the shelter, all the dogs swarmed me, but Boomer hung back. Not because he was shy. He was a moose, so he'd stand out. He was playing me.
Smart dog. I'm gonna swab the back of your throat. I'll get this to the lab.
I'm sorry, you can't bring your dog into the hospital.
It's my sister's dog. She's somewhere in the back not answering her text.
Only service dogs in the ED. I'm sorry.
Is this Boomer?
How'd you know?
I've been taking care of Tara. She said he was a boxer bulldog mix.
I thought it was only gonna be 1 or 2 hours. It's been 5. Is she okay?
She spiked a low fever. We're testing for strep.
Strep, it's nothing. Okay, good. Look, I have to go to work. There's no pets allowed in my building. And he barks one time and I can get evicted. I'm sorry, there's no one else to take.
Oh, no, I can't take this. I know. It all happened really fast. What do I do?
Get him out of here. Now.
But where do I take?
Reese, I don't care where. Just out.
Hey, look at this guy.
Ah, Earl. This is Boomer. Could you watch him for a minute, but don't get too close because he...
Oh, come on, Bella. Come on, guy, let's go. Come on, big boy.
Okay. Dr. Manton, Tara's rapid strep came back negative. Okay, so we're back at square one. You know what? Let's run a,
Easy. Easy. I'm sorry. I am so sorry.
Hey, Earl, what's going on?
I don't know what happened. 20 people petted this dog, and this patient is the only one he barked at. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bud.
Let's run an infused CT chest and abdomen on Tara. Oh, I've heard stories.
Lymphoma. I have cancer?
The next step is a biopsy to determine exactly which kind.
But I'm only 26. I go to the gym every day. I don't smoke.
I know. It's not fair.
But I don't feel sick.
Well, that's because it was caught early. You have time to get way ahead of this.
The lymph nodes are around here, aren't they? Boomer's been nipping at me for a month, always right there. Do you think he knew?
Maybe. It seems some dogs can smell cancers, even in the very early stages. Yeah, he wasn't attacking you. He was trying to protect you.